Namaste, आप सब कैसे हैं? In the previous lesson, we learned the first conversation in Hindi, which was followed by a short actual conversation. And today, we will learn a very basic and very important lesson. I am and you are. There are 4 phrases in front of you. मैं हूँ, तुम हो, आप हैं और तू है. मैं हूँ is I am, and the rest of the 3 mean you are. The usage of these 3 totally depends upon the situation and the person you are talking to. आप हैं is formal to very formal. तुम हो is informal to semi-formal. And तू है is completely informal. It is used only with close friends. Now let us see how to make sentences using them. Suppose the word student. मैं student हूँ. It means I am a student. Okay. मैं कौन हूँ would mean who am I. The word कौन means who. You can note that down in your vocabulary list. Okay. मैं student हूँ means I am a student, and मैं कौन हूँ means who am I. Going to the next word, तुम student हो would be you are a student. तुम कौन हो? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? Similarly, आप student हैं means you are a student. आप कौन हैं would mean who are you? Who are you? आप कौन हैं? Going towards तू student है. You are a student. Completely informal. तू कौन है would mean who are you, but it will sound very rude. Okay. I don't want this time of yours to get wasted, so please keep making notes. All this may seem to be difficult, but it's simply subject-verb agreement. तुम is always followed by हो, आप by हैं, and sometimes by हो, and तू is always followed by है. In English, as an alternative to my name is Sherlock, one can also say I am Sherlock. Homologously, in Hindi too, as an alternative to मेरा नाम रिजवान है, you can also say मैं रिजवान हूँ. Well, my friends must give me a treat. I'm mentioning their names one by one in my videos. I would like to give similar examples. मैं कनिका हूँ means I am Kanika, female name. मैं प्रिंस हूँ would mean I am Prince. It's a male name here. तुम कुलजीत हो. You are Kuljit. Kuljit is a common name, both male and female. आप आकाश हैं. You are Akash. It's a male name. Well, don't get confused because Akash literally means the sky. I will end the theory here and would suggest you to practice and construct similar sentences and post them on the comments. I will correct them if there's any mistake. And your queries are invited. Don't forget hitting the like button. It will motivate me to keep going. To all the new viewers who are watching this video directly, I would like to tell that in the first 2 videos, I began with denotations and pronunciation. The third and the fourth videos give some basic vocabularies. The videos are quite short, around 5 minutes only. I hope you find them helpful. ठीक है, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा, फिर मिलेंगे.